Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super exciting episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. And today we have a blue and white box. It's about 11 inches by 8 by 6 and weighs about 15 pounds. It's a rather nice box. That's the noise it makes when you shake it. Well, without further ado, there you go. Carling Lager, Tall Boys, 12 times 473 mil, 4.9% alcohol. Bastards, it used to be 5, they dropped her down. But I see cans, but you know, there could be something else in there. We gotta open it up and find out what's in there. Come here, bitchy. Wow. Nice. Yeah, appears to be 12. I'm not gonna crack one of these open because they haven't been in the fridge yet. They just got home not too long ago from a nice bicycle ride with a motor. Well, there you go. Carling. But I just happen to have a frosty cold one right here. Didn't think I was going to do a video without drinking, did ya? Woo! RTFO mofos. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck, that's good, eh? Nice. All right, bitches. Until the next great unboxing adventure, keep on rocking in the free world and RTFO mofos.